While Canik may have started overseas in Turkey, the brand has carved out a serious following here in the United States. Among everyday shooters, trainers, and competitors alike, Canik has gained a reputation for offering reliable, high-performing pistols without the steep price tag. What most folks don't realize is that this company didn't even begin in the gun world. Back in the year 1998, Canik actually launched as part of the aerospace industry, partnering with major names like Boeing and Lockheed Martin. That level of precision engineering laid a rock-solid foundation when they made the leap into firearms manufacturing. Their breakout moment came with the TP9 series, tough, duty-ready handguns embraced by both Turkish police forces and civilian shooters around the globe. Then in the year 2012, Canik teamed up with Century Arms to bring their pistols to the American market. Since then, they've only picked up speed. Recently, Canik went all-in stateside by opening a modern manufacturing facility in West Palm Beach, Florida. With more US-built models in the pipeline, better pricing, and easier availability, American shooters are definitely benefiting. So, if you've been curious about what Canik brings to the table, now's the time. Let's walk through some of their standout handguns heading into the year 2025. Canik Meet MC9. If you're after a compact, everyday carry sidearm that doesn't skimp on performance, the Meet MC9 checks all the right boxes. This micro-sized handgun is designed for deep concealment, measuring just over 6 inches long, a little more than 4 inches tall, and under an inch wide at the slide. Unloaded, it tips the scale at only 21.3 ounces. Light enough to carry all day whether you're running appendix, strong side, or even in a belly band. Accuracy-wise, it's solid. Most shooters are getting groups in the 3 to 4 inch range at 10 yards, plenty precise for personal defense. The trigger breaks clean and the reset is short, helping you stay on target when it counts. Another big win? It comes optics ready from the factory, cut for shield armrest C footprint red dots, a feature that's quickly becoming a must-have on modern carry guns. You can run it with either a 12-round or 15-round magazine, depending on whether you want maximum concealment or a longer grip with more capacity. Though it's clearly derived from the TP9 line, it's been slimmed down and refined, all while maintaining that full hand grip feel. And with a suggested price of just $439, it offers serious value in terms of performance and features. Canik Meet MC9L and MC9 LS if you like the compact concept but want a little more firepower. The longer Meet MC9L and LS models offer just that. Both come with an impressive 17+1 capacity, pushing the limits of what you can expect from a gun this size. The MC9L runs a 3.18-inch barrel and stretches just past 6.2 inches overall, weighing 22.2 ounces unloaded. Step up to the MC9 LS and you get a slightly longer 3.64-inch barrel, an overall length of 6.73 inches, and an extra ounce of weight. Both pistols are excellent for concealment, especially for folks who carry in the appendix or strong side position, and still perform comfortably on the range. These models are also cut for RMSC-compatible red dots and maintain Canik's excellent grip ergonomics, allowing for solid control and fast follow-ups. Priced just under $500, they come loaded with value: 2 17-round mags, adjustable backstraps, a fitted holster, cleaning tools, and everything neatly packed in a premium hard-sided case. Built on the TP9 framework but streamlined for carry, the MC9L and LS hit a great middle ground between concealability and shootability. Shooters consistently praise their handling and accuracy, making them a worthy addition to any 9mm arsenal. Canik Meet SFX Pro. Now, if you're looking for a full-size pistol with all the bells and whistles, something that can handle both tactical use and competition, the Meet SFX Pro is a heavy hitter. Outfitted with a fluted and threaded 5.74-inch barrel, this pistol is ready for suppressors or muzzle devices straight from the box. The fluting isn't just cosmetic either, it helps dissipate heat and sheds a bit of weight. Overall, the gun measures 8.8 inches long and 5.74 inches tall. This isn't a concealed carry piece, it's meant for open carry, duty use, or serious range work. The trigger is what really shines here. With a crisp 90-degree break and short reset, it rivals much more expensive models in terms of shooter feedback and control. The optics cut supports red dots using the Shield RMS footprint, and it ships with both an 18-round magazine and a 20-round extended option. You also get a reversible holster included, which means you're range-ready right out of the case. No need to hunt for extras. Retailing around $660, the SFX Pro sits in the mid-tier pricing bracket, but it brings premium-level features. If you spot one available for rental at your local range, take it for a spin. You'll immediately see how it compares with some of the best full-size handguns on the market. Though it carries the TP9 DNA, the SFX Pro features updated ergonomics and clever refinements that give it a strong edge in today's crowded handgun landscape. Canik TP9 Elite Combat, created in collaboration with the performance experts at Salient Arms International. The Canik TP9 Elite Combat is a top-shelf tactical pistol built for serious shooters. It features a 4.73-inch match-grade barrel that's fluted for weight reduction, treated with a nitride finish for long service life, and left-hand threaded, so it's suppressor-ready right out of the box. Measuring 7.88 inches from front to back and weighing in at 25.8 ounces unloaded, it's purpose-built for duty or tactical roles, though a few dedicated carriers do manage to conceal it with the right holster setup. The slide is cut for optics, compatible with a broad array of red dot sights, making it fully adaptable to your preferred aiming system. The flat-face trigger is another standout. It offers a clean break and quick reset that gives you tight shot groups and faster follow-ups when it counts. With an estimated street price of around $850, the TP9 Elite Combat isn't a bargain bin option, but it absolutely delivers value for money. You're getting a complete kit. 2 magazines, one 15-rounder and one 18-rounder, along with multiple optics plates, a quality holster, and cleaning tools. Taking inspiration from the Walther P99 but fine-tuned for modern tactical shooters, this pistol has earned high marks for its durability, streamlined aesthetics, and laser-precise accuracy. Among experienced shooters, it's considered one of the best tactical handguns available for the price. Canik TP9 SF Elite. If you're in the market for a dependable carry pistol that balances performance with affordability, the Canik TP9 SF Elite fits the bill. This compact 9mm runs a 4.2-inch barrel and comes in at 7.28 inches in overall length, giving you enough real estate for solid control while still being easy to conceal. Weighing 28.2 ounces empty, it's got just enough heft to manage recoil without being a burden on your hip. This pistol has earned a reputation for shooting well beyond its price tag. Users consistently report tight 3-inch groups at 20 yards, which speaks volumes about its out-of-the-box accuracy. The trigger is especially clean, and the iron sights offer an intuitive picture, making it a strong contender whether you're a first-time buyer or an experienced gun owner. Borrowing key elements from the Walther P99, the TP9 SF Elite features a short, tactile trigger reset and a smooth pull, traits usually found on much more expensive guns. And at just $320, it's hard to beat. The package includes 2 15-round magazines, a molded holster, and some handy extras, all delivered in a sturdy case. For budget-minded shooters who still demand reliability and comfort, this one's a no-brainer. Canik SFX Rival. Tailored for the competition scene, the Canik SFX Rival is engineered for speed, control, and top-tier precision. With a 5-inch match barrel and an overall length of 8.1 inches, it offers ideal proportions for serious competitors. Weighing 29.5 ounces unloaded, the balance between control and maneuverability is just right, fast on target and stable under pressure. This pistol punches way above its weight class in accuracy. Skilled shooters have reported sub-1-inch groups at 7 yards and even consistent hits at 100 yards with solid fundamentals. The trigger is sharp and consistent, with a light break and short reset that helps keep your cadence tight. The slide is already cut for optics and is compatible with a wide array of red dot sights. Combine that with fully adjustable fiber optic sights, and the SFX Rival is ready for any lighting condition or course setup. Priced around $680, Canik loads the box with serious extras: 2 18-round mags, a competition magwell, a holster, and cleaning tools, all competition-ready right out of the gate. It takes the best qualities of the TP9 series and cranks them up for match performance. Whether you're chasing trophies or just want a pistol that performs like it costs twice as much, the SFX Rival belongs on your shortlist. Canik SFX Rival S. The Canik SFX Rival S takes everything that made the original Rival a hit and cranks it up with an all-steel frame built for hardcore competition. Swapping out polymer for forged steel transforms this pistol into a heavy-hitting performer, perfect for shooters who value control, balance, and fast, accurate follow-ups. This precision tool features a 5-inch match-grade barrel, stretches to 8.1 inches overall, and tips the scale at a solid 42.7 ounces when unloaded. That added mass soaks up recoil and minimizes muzzle rise, giving you faster double taps and rock-steady sight recovery shot after shot. Simply put, this is a gun built for the podium. All the core features from the polymer rival are still here. A refined, competition-grade trigger with a short reset and optics-ready slide cut for a variety of red dot systems and a fully loaded case packed with extras. But the feel is on a different level. The Rival S doesn't just mimic the rival, it evolves it into a whole new beast. Thanks to the steel frame and tuned internals, shooters are consistently pulling off sub-1-inch groups at 7 yards. That kind of repeatable precision is what separates good competition pistols from great ones. Whether you're working through drills or running a full match stage, the Rival S delivers consistency you can count on. At a price tag right around $900, the value here is hard to ignore. The trigger alone rivals what you'd find on high-end custom pistols, and the build quality punches way above its weight class. If you've been thinking about moving into the world of all-metal race guns, the SFX Rival S is a killer place to start. Canik TTI Combat. Let's wrap things up with the showstopper of Canik's 2025 lineup, the TTI Combat. Built in collaboration with the legendary Taurun Tactical Innovations, this pistol is geared toward elite-level shooters who want top-tier performance straight from the box. Measuring 7.85 inches long and weighing 29.5 ounces unloaded, it strikes a sweet spot between speed and control. But the real magic lies in its compensator. A twin-port setup that dramatically cuts down on muzzle rise and softens felt recoil. The result? Lightning-fast shot-to-shot recovery and pinpoint control under pressure. One of the standout design elements is the spring-loaded quick-detach system on the compensator. That means you can remove it for cleaning or switching setups without tools or hassle. Huge win for competitive shooters and high-volume trainers. Of course, it wouldn't be a Taurun Tactical collaboration without premium upgrades. You get a tuned flat-face trigger that breaks clean, enhanced ergonomics for intuitive control, and an optics-ready slide for your favorite red dot setup. Everything is engineered for speed, precision, and reliability. At just under $950, the TTI Combat delivers serious value. It ships with 2 18-round magazines, multiple red dot mounting plates, a custom Kydex holster, and a rugged carry case. From range bag to competition line, this thing is ready to run. If you're chasing performance without compromise, whether it's for defense, competition, or just plain shooting enjoyment, this pistol should absolutely be on your radar. The TTI Combat is smooth, fast, deadly accurate, and just plain fun to shoot. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into Canik's 2025 pistol lineup. Whether you're in the market for a micro-compact everyday carry gun or a full-size, steel-framed competition pistol, Canik continues to prove that top-shelf performance doesn't have to break the bank. They've built a lineup that checks every box, from slim-profile carry options like the METE MC9 to all-out match pistols like the SFX Rival S and the TTI Combat. If you value trigger quality, feature-rich designs, and out-of-the-box readiness, there's something here with your name on it. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these Canik models caught your attention the most? Have you spent time on the range with any of them? Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to hit that like button, share it with your fellow gun enthusiasts, and subscribe so you never miss another review, range test, or gear rundown. Tap that notification bell so you're always the first to know when we drop new content. Thanks for spending time with us today. We'll catch you next time at the range.